So the question a viewer asked is there an interview for green card renewal? And so, and let me give you a little bit of what type of renewal we mean here. We mean you've received already a permanent green card, you've received a 10-year green card, and so now it's come up for renewal. And so that's the I-90 type of renewal green card. So sometimes people will think that when you remove the condition on your green card that that's renewal, and that's not. If you go from the 2-year green card to the 10-year green card, that's not renewal, that's removing the condition, okay? In that case, most likely it's hard to say, but now especially under the current administration, rules have changed a little bit, so you might have a second interview. It used to be that a second interview was unlikely, but now that's changed, so you might have a second interview. But for a renewal, a regular renewal, I-90 type of renewal, you do not you do not have an interview unless there's some circumstances where they are they're flagged that there is some discrepancy with your status, or with there's a criminal violation or something like that, and in that case you might have some issues, but generally there's no interview needed for a green card renewal. Thank you for asking.